Welcome to EDU World Space.
First, let's write the reaction of oxidation of hydrogen sulfide to sulfur. To balance hydrogens, we add 2H plus, and this reaction takes 2 electrons. A. Ion 3 plus is reduced to ion 2 plus. It takes 1 electron. To balance them, we need to multiply the first line by 1 and the second one by 2. It will give us H2S plus 2 ion 3 plus, and gives us sulfur plus 2H plus 2 ion 2 plus. B. Bromine is reduced to 2 bromides, and it takes 2 electrons. Now let's write the second half reaction. We don't need to balance it. We'll just add together both reactions. It will be bromine plus H2S, 2 bromides plus sulfur plus 2 protons. C. Permanganate goes to manganese 2 plus. To balance oxygen, we need to add 4 waters. And now to balance hydrogens, we add 8 H plus. And this reaction takes 5 electrons. Now let's write the second half reaction. To balance them, we need to multiply the first line by 2 and the second line by 5. Now let's write them out. 2 permanganates plus 16 H plus 5 H2S equals 2 manganese plus 8 water plus 5 sulfurs plus 10 H plus. Now we have 10 hydrogens on the right and 16 hydrogens on the left. We'll subtract 10 H plus from each side. And that will give you the final equation. D. First of all, we need to realize that nitric acid is a strong acid, and in the ionic form, it produces NO3 minus, which must be used for oxidation reactions. NO3 minus becomes NO2. To balance oxygen, we need to add water to the right part. And to balance hydrogens, we need to add 2H plus to the left side. This reaction will take 1 electron. Now, let's add the second half reaction. To balance them, we need to multiply the first line by 2, the second line by 1. Now let's write out the result. 2 NO3 minus plus 2H plus 8 2S. It gives you 2 NO2 plus 2 H2O plus S plus 2H plus. And in the left part, we need to add 2 more H plus because we're multiplying the line by 2. Now we have 4 hydrogens plus on the left and 2 H plus on the right. So we'll subtract 2 H plus from each side and end up with the correct equation.